Welcome viewers. Banking and financial services stock recorded impressive gains for the long-term investors. Stocks of IDFC Twins, IDFC Limited and IDFC First Bank Limited present special circumstances benefits also now in addition to the impressive returns of financial services stocks. Please follow this video till the end and we assure you that the time you spare for this video will be worth it every minute of listening you. As rightly expressed by Warren Buffett, banking is very good business if you don't do anything dumb. That is why enviable wealth multiplication could be recorded by the stocks of ICICI Bank by 9,785% and HDFC Bank by 37,259% in the last 19 years. During the last 19 years, ICICI Bank share outperformed the Sensex returns by 9.35 times, while HDFC Bank share outperformed the Sensex returns by 35.62 times, as visual from this slide. IDFC First Bank was created by the merger of erstwhile IDFC Bank and erstwhile Capital First during December 2018. Prior to this, IDFC First Bank was a premier infrastructure financing domestic financial institution renowned for its contribution to the infrastructure in India since 1997, and Capital First was a successful consumer and MSME financing entity since 2012. Much respected banker V. Vaidyanathan, who earlier worked for Citibank and ICICI Bank, had promoted IDFC First Bank by merger of NBFC Capital First and with IDFC Bank in December 2018. He is the first managing director and CEO of the IDFC First Bank. After the above success, he is now leading this bank for its second merger for better growth on the lines of mega reverse merger of HDFC into HDFC Bank. Here, IDFC Financial Holding Company Limited and IDFC First Bank are being merged into IDFC First Bank. See the attractive merger ratio. IDFC shareholders who are having 100 shares of IDFC will be getting 155 shares of IDFC First Bank during this merger process. See the slide which contains book value, present market price, yearly high and low. IDFC First Bank share is trading around 93 rupees 40 paise against its book value of 39 rupees 10 paise. Shares of IDFC Limited is trading around 123 rupees 50 paise against its book value of 72.50. IDFC First Bank vision is to build a world-class bank in India, guided by ethics, powered by technology, and to be a force for social good. As on 31st March 2023, IDFC First Bank is having 809 branches and 925 ATMs, while IDFC Limited is having 450 branches. In this slide, products and services of the IDFC Bank are detailed. IDFC First Bank is serving all the financial needs of the clients as a universal bank with diverse products using latest technology. Now look at its annual results. After initial 2 years of losses, IDFC First Bank has recorded impressive results subsequently with impressive growth rates. See this slide. Bank's financial performance in the last 6 quarters is given in this slide. It recorded 61% growth in its net profits on a year-on-year basis in this first quarter of fiscal 2024. Its advances quality is very much impressive with gross NPA of just 2.17% and a net NPA of just 0.70%, which is far better than those of the more fancied banks. In this slide, its first quarter results are given. Look at them, and you will know the growth potential of the bank. Now, looking at the price targets of the IDFC First Bank, as per the comparison of the research reports reviewed in the stock report plus of Economic Times, average target price of rupees 77.80 is arrived, which is lower than its current market price of 93.40 rupees. However, these reports are prepared before the release of the Q1 FY24 results. After its recent quarter results, Motilal Oswal, the research team, has given a target price of rupees 100 for the bank. Surya has given a target price of 150 rupees for the bank. Satyan Srinu has given a target price of 250 rupees for the next 12 months. The average target price of these comes to 144 rupees 45 paise, which implies return potential of 54.66% from the present levels. Recently, Wal Joseph predicts a 2-year target price of rupees 500, while Surya predicts massive wealth creation over the next decade, which can be comparable to that of the historical wealth creation of HDFC Bank. Now look at the return potential of IDFC share. Here we are giving the probable returns from IDFC share purchase at current levels at different probable prices of IDFC First Bank. Look at these keenly. If the IDFC Bank share drops to a level of 75, which investors of IDFC will get loss of 1.65%. At today's market price of IDFC First Bank, upfront arbitrage gains of 17.22% are there on the platter to grab. If the share price of IDFC First Bank reaches the level of rupees 150, returns for the investors of IDFC shares reaches 88.26%, which is really impressive. And this is more probable within the next 6 months. Looking at in another way, by purchasing IDFC shares at present levels, investors are virtually buying IDFC First Bank shares at just 79 rupees 68 paise only, assuming that they will be holding these shares until the merger process is over, which is expected to be in the next 6 months. We believe that IDFC First Bank stock carries high growth returns potential from the current levels. IDFC stock carries irresistible arbitrage returns in view of its reverse merger with IDFC First Bank. See the recent developments also. IDFC First Bank stock is included in the Morgan Stanley Global Standard Index on 31st August 2023. This inclusion will be a big boost for the global funds inflows into the stock. Analyst predicts inflows of above $100 million into the stock due to this inclusion. Thus, these IDFC twins possess high returns potential in the coming months. It makes really good investment sense to contemplate investments into these at current levels. Have a prosperous month of September 2023 and 77th prosperous independent year of India. Disclaimer. This research video is posted for sharing the knowledge only with utmost care and diligence for factual data and content. Neither the researcher nor the researcher mention of this post own any risk and responsibility for the results of viewers' investment decisions on this stock. Viewers need to take their investment decisions on the advice of their personal investment advisor. If you like the contents of this post, please subscribe, like, and share this video.